happy to visit you again and brought back your masterpiece that you did so that you could see. It's been 10 years and I've had no problem whatsoever with my eyes. No pain after the surgery, no after trauma, nothing. No loss of eyesight, nothing like I thought I would have had. And other doctors told me that would have occurred if I had used their procedure versus your new cutting edge procedure. As you remember, I was one of your first patients here in Jacksonville going to have the procedure, and I'm so glad I did.
Thank you so much, Ingrid. Your trust means so much to me. And seeing you now and follow up 10 years later, you said? 10 years later after your surgery, doing great. It's excellent because this gives me more and more data as we share this technique with other surgeons. And for the benefit of patients out there as to why I believe in this technique. And I'm sure, with so many years later, there's so much I want to hear. Having known you in Postop, having treated your daughter for LASIK surgery, Jessica, and now I think her husband too.
Now I'm sending, my son-in-law, I talk him into coming and getting, because he's a dentist.
Yes.
And I see him wearing these big, I said, you need to go see my doctor, he's excellent. And since then I've sent you a number of people, even as far as Atlanta. Yes, I've called people and I'm always telling them, you have to see my doctor. He has this new procedure and it's part of the new cutting edge and stem cells, and I will show my eye and says, look at my eyes there.
I remember very well. I even remember the day they came in and shortened the surgery, the newscast. This is among the first in the country.
Yes.
But also to that note, you also sent me a patient of St. Croix.
Right.
Marsha.
Yes, I'm always sending people over.
I did her laser surgery, so thank you so much for your trust, Ingrid. And as a teacher to other eye surgeons, it's very important to me that the data is honest, that this interaction is impromptu. When my patients come in for follow-up, we sit down and grill me with Q&A.
Well, so every time I see people that need eye surgery, I always say, you got to go to Dr. Gulani. He is the best.
Again, thanks Ingrid for coming over and sharing everything you have, and thank you so much for your trust and confidence.
Thank you. Thank you again, Dr. Gulani.